anti-quota movement. After a few days, we came to know this is not anti-quota movement because there was no quota system in Bangladesh. It was abolished in 2018
By the court.
by Sheikh Hasina's government.
No,
So when
court, by the court.
no, let me finish. When a few people complained to the court, then court verdict that it should be reinstalled. Then Sheikh Hasina's government went to the court and filed this writ against this in favor of the students' movement. And there was a date set on August 7th for the final hearing or the verdict. The student movement, they did not wait for it.
Nope.
Because they have hidden agenda,
Right.
which was to remove Sheikh Hasina from the government, and it was the agenda of a superpower, United States. It is open because their ambassador used to speak in Dhaka as if he is the